Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Killerspin Ping Pong Table. This table is designed for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. It's made from high-quality materials and construction, and it offers a number of features that make it ideal for competitive play. Features: one of the things that I really like about the Killerspin Ping Pong Table is its thick, 15mm tabletop. This makes the table very durable and provides a great playing surface. The table also has a multiple roller coat finish, which helps to reduce glare and improve ball control. Another great feature of the Killerspin Ping Pong Table is its quick play design. This table can be set up in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for busy people who don't have a lot of time to waste. The tables also have a convenient playback mode, which allows you to practice by yourself. Performance: I've had the chance to play on a few Killerspin Ping Pong tables, and I've been really impressed with their performance. The tables are very fast and responsive, and they provide a great playing surface. I've also found that the tables are very durable and can withstand a lot of wear and tear. Conclusion: overall, I'm very impressed with the Killerspin Ping Pong Table. This table is a great choice for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. It's made from high-quality materials and construction, and it offers a number of features that make it ideal for competitive play. Pros: thick, 15mm tabletops, multiple roller coat finish, quick play design, playback mode, durable construction, stylish design. Cons: can be a bit expensive, not as portable as some other tables. Overall, the Killerspin Ping Pong Table is a great choice for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. It's made from high-quality materials and construction, and it offers a number of features that make it ideal for competitive play. If you're looking for a table that will help you improve your game, the Killerspin Ping Pong Table is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Killerspin Ping Pong Table. The table is made from high-quality plywood and MDF, which makes it very durable. The table has a smooth, fast-playing surface that is ideal for competitive play. The table comes with a tournament-grade net and post set, which ensures that your game will be played on a level playing field. The table is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it a great option for homes with limited storage space. The table has a stylish design that will look great in any home. If you're looking for a high-quality, professional-grade table tennis table, the Killerspin Ping Pong Table is a great option. It's perfect for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. Here are some additional tips for using a Killerspin Ping Pong Table. Make sure that the table is level before you start playing. Use a good quality table tennis ball. Wear comfortable clothing that won't restrict your movement. Have fun.